Hey everybody, welcome to the June market update. I'm Mike Gray with the Mike Gray team and Heritage Texas Properties. So what I wanted to do this month is a little bit different. There's been a lot of news going on, and a lot of the press is national, and it's talking about how the market is increasing and really getting stronger. Wall Street had a big article out this past week talking about the strength of the market and the increase. So what I wanted to do, instead of doing just a snapshot of Houston again, is look at how Houston has fared against the rest of the nation over, say, the last 15 years. So what I did was I put nationally on one side and locally on the other. So if you look at the national numbers, what we have from 01 to 05, we had a boom, right? Things were, after September 11th, things came back and they were booming. From 6 to 10, nationally, it was a bust. It was just a terrible, terrible market. From 11 to 15, it was slow. We were in a recovery mode. And the projections are, by all accounts, that from 2016 up to 2020, and who knows after that, it's going to be another boom. And they're saying the boom is going to be in the number of homes sold, not that pricing is going to go off the charts like we saw when we were having the 30 and 40% swings in Vegas and Florida and these, but in the number of sales and the demand of housing. So let's contrast that or compare that with Houston. So we look at the local numbers and we go year by year, and I don't want to get way off in the weeds, but if we look at the year and we look at the price, and then we look at the number of homes sold, and we start at 2002, we see that in 2002, prices were up 6%, 3, they were up 2%, 4, they were flat, okay? And we had about a 4 to 10% increase in the number of homes sold. If we look at 5 up to 7, it was just a little bit of an increase. Well, 5% is a good number for Houston. Up to 2008, where there was no change, right? Remember 2008, we had a hurricane at the end of the year, shut the market completely down. Look at the number of sold. The demand down 4%, down 16%. But now take a look at 11, 12, 13, 14. So if you look over here, very slow market, we were booming. We had up to in the neighborhood of 30% increase, which is not typical for Houston. And if we look at the number of sales, 4%, 16%, 9%, up to 2014 at 3%. 2015, we were up 3%, so we had a gradual increase, so more of a steady increase. Number of homes sold were down 10%. So at the beginning of the year, we projected that the number of homes that were going to be sold was going to be down 10%. So if we look at Houston overall, we run some cases against what the rest of the nation's doing, but we're very steady. We're not seeing real highs and real lows. So we've been a steady market, which is what we've been saying this year about the economy. Oil obviously has been down. It's more stable now. At this filming, it's about 50, but we've seen kind of a steady market. The high end, over 2 million, that's down significantly. But the rest of the market has been steady. The higher end is lower. The lower end is stronger. But across the board, we've seen a pretty steady market. So I thought this was an interesting comparison. Hope you got some good information out of it. If you have questions about your specific neighborhood or specific area, we're happy to answer those. Again, as Houston really lives like a bunch of cities put together. We're so big. So I hope you enjoyed it. We'll be back in a couple weeks with some more information, and have a great June. Talk to you soon.